Hello pet lovers. Today, we're excited to introduce the Neabot Neakasa P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum, a revolutionary all-in-one grooming solution for your furry friends. This professional grooming kit includes 5 proven tools: a grooming brush and rake brush to maintain a healthy coat, an electric clipper for precise cutting, and a nozzle head with a cleaning brush to tackle pet hair on carpets, sofas, and floors. The standout feature is its vacuum function, which collects 99% of pet hair directly into a vacuum container, keeping your home clean and fur-free. With 5 adjustable guard combs ranging from 3mm to 24mm, you can easily trim hair to your desired length, while the low-noise design ensures a stress-free experience for your pet. For an even smoother grooming session, we recommend brushing your pet first and offering treats to ease any nervousness from the vacuum sound. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and 45-day no-worry return policy, Neabot ensures you have peace of mind with your purchase. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.